dancing in the glow. Quiet city, hearts run deep, memories stirring while I can't sleep. Coffee steaming, old love songs, wishing you were here all along. Still hear you laugh in the midnight air, but I reach beside me, you're not there. It's a rainy night and I'm floating in between the lines we left unspoken. Your name's a whisper in the thunder, a feeling I still wander under. Cold breeze, warm light, thinking about us on this rainy night. Time moves but I stay in the echoes of yesterday. Shadows sway behind the blinds, like memories that won't unwind. Played your voice through vinyl sound, but silence wraps me all around. The rain keeps falling like it knows every tear that never shows. If you feel it too somewhere out there, maybe we still share the same air. It's a rainy night and I'm floating in between the lines we left unspoken. Your name's a whisper in the thunder, a feeling I still wander under. Cold breeze, warm light, thinking about us on this rainy night. Time moves but I stay in the echoes of yesterday. Raindrops like lullabies, calling me back to the moment we swore we'd never crack. But seasons change, and so did we. Still I find you in every melody. It's a rainy night and I'm floating. Heart still beat when love's been broken. If you're out there, hear my song. Maybe this rain can right our wrongs. Cold breeze, warm light, dreaming of you on this rainy night. Still here, still I stay until the dawn washes you away.